everyone, thanks for joining me in this tutorial. The supplies that I am using to make this fall watercolor maple leaf are a mechanical pencil, eraser, I have a Baohong Academy watercolor paper. I'm also using a size 6 round 2400 series Curry's brand watercolor brush and Winsor, Newton, and Cotman watercolor paints. Also water and paper towel. So to start, I'm using the pencil to lightly sketch out the shape of the leaf. I end up adjusting it because I feel that the top point is just too thin. I need to make it a little bit wider. So I'll go and adjust that in a little bit. And then once I am satisfied with the shape of the leaf, I'm going to erase the lines, not fully, but enough so that it won't show through with the watercolor. So now I am using the brush to fill the whole leaf with water. This will help expand the watercolor paint and just make it a nice effect. We'll be doing a wet on wet technique, which means you wet the paper first, then put the paint on top, and we'll also be doing 3 different colors. Well, actually 4 different colors. We'll be using yellow, orange, red, and then brown for the stem. So I'm just going in with the yellow and adding it into pretty much all over the leaf. Leaving some spaces is okay. We'll fill it in with the other colors anyways. So I'll start with the yellow, then I'll add in the orange, just using the leaf decoration as an example. I'm not following it exactly, I'm adjusting it to how I want it as well. And I'll also use the red to go around the outside just to help cover any of the pencil lines that are still there that were a bit too dark, that didn't erase fully. And then I will go in with the brown to add the stem and do the vein work throughout the leaf. And because it's a wet on wet technique, this is going to bleed out a bit, which is really nice. I like the effect that it looks. It makes it look a little bit more natural and not just solid straight lines. So here is the finished leaf. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you give it a try, let me know what you think about it. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.